All right, let's take a look at this here. I'm just going to think about the setup. I got some friends with me that are going to offer some advice. All right, so I think I can graph this without Desmos, but it wouldn't be a bad idea to check with Desmos too. 1 over x from 1 to 3. Let's see. As x goes 1, 2, 3, y is 1 over that, so 1/3 will be over there. So I'm going to put 1 way up here, and so that's about a half, and that's about a third. So I have points here, 1 over 2, and 1 over 3. So here's my curve sliding down through. All right, find the volume generated by revolving about the y-axis. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. The region bounded above by the graph of f equals 1 over x, below by the x-axis on the interval from 1 to 3. Okay, so this must be my region. And let's pick a different color. Yellow. And I get to choose either disks or shells. Okay. Let's see. Let's look at the cheat sheet. So we're going around the y-axis. Let me zoom out a little on this. Oops. Scroll. All right, so we have one of these two methods on the left. If we use the disk or washer method, then we're going to use a dy. If we use the shell method, we're going to use a dx. So take a look at your sketch of this and then decide whether you think a dy is going to be easier on this or a dx. All right, again, think about that cheat sheet. Washers are going to have a dy. So that means slices will look, oops, let's use a different color. Red for slicing will look like that. I think, am I getting this right? Shells, according to the cheat sheet, should be vertical like that, which looks easier. Any thoughts?
I think shells
How come?
because
Adam says shells. Oh, by the way, Adam's talking in my ear. I forgot about that.
because you only have to integrate with respect to dx and you don't have to think about there being a washer there. I don't know, it just feels like it'd be easier to me.
Yeah, the washers, right? We have a big R on this side and a little r on that side. And the big R is sometimes over here and it's sometimes over there. That looks messier. So Adam's suggestion of shells seems reasonable because the height of those things always comes from the same two parts. Okay, cool. If you're bored this weekend, feel free to do it both ways. You only need to do it one. And again, I would recommend to check, get an antiderivative, evaluate the antiderivative, compare that to numerical integration with whatever you wrote down as the original volume integral. And don't forget to occasionally consult the cheat sheet or make your own. and then message me if you get stuck on anything. All right, happy half snow day. I hear there's more snow coming tonight. And my neighbor kid said the sledding was better today than a couple of days ago.